Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix invite sent problem on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and right next to it, you're gonna find your profile section. So right now, in order to fix invite sent on Instagram, first of all, we're going to clear the cache. In order to do that, go to your settings. And then once you're here, go ahead and search for apps or applications. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find the list that includes all of your installed applications. Go ahead and scroll down and search for Instagram. Once you find Instagram, go ahead and click on it. And then once you're here, go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find storage. Go ahead and click on storage. And then right here in the bottom, you're going to find two options, clear data and also clear cache. So go ahead and clear your cache and then go back to Instagram and your problem should be fixed. If you still have that problem, maybe you just need to update Instagram. If you want to do that, just go to Play Store, go to the search section, click on the search bar, and then search for Instagram. After that, click on Instagram and then check if you have any updates available. If there is any updates available, make sure you update your application. So this is it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.